This dog had some major issues before with aggression, so we're working on the Ecollar training with it. And shh, sit. He's lucky with me. And we have major issues with aggression, so I'm gonna make her sit again. I'm gonna greet her with Lucky. Come, Lucky. Come, Lucky. So she has learned how to associate with it. So we missed out the scene just then.
Yep.
But we still got the evidence what we did just then. Okay, good. All right, make her do the heel again. The walk again. When she does growl or whatever it is, we'll correct her for that.
Yep. Stop.
Make go shh, like that, yeah?
Yeah.
Collar, lift pressure up a bit.
Yeah.
Make sure the collar's on top of the head. This dog had major issue with aggressions before, like frustration aggression. We missed out the scene.
Yeah, from the shelter.
But we're doing it. She's from the shelter, don't worry about it. Will anything else happen, let me know.
Stop.
We just discipline her action for what she's doing.
Stop.
Yeah. We're working up. Here, walk. Make sure you pull it.
Yeah.
And stop there and then walk her back again. Make sure she goes in.
Other way?
Other way, sideways. Sideways. Go turn around. Walk past my dog.
Yeah.
I want to see how it's like. Walk past my dog. So walk past my dog.
Yeah.
Just walking past my dog. Go walk past it. Yeah, walk past it. Yeah, that's it. Just walk past straight like that. Dog's here. He's here or she's here. And see how she's reaction.
Yeah.
Shh. Oi.
Stop.
Walk her past this way. This way.
Yeah.
Go towards this way with the dog here. Yeah. See how she's like. Does she have any aggression issues with it? No, she doesn't have any. Just walk her off again.
Okay.
Straight. Straight.
Where's he? Stop.
Would you like to video me and I'll show you how to do it so you can put it on there? Hold this.
Yeah.
Don't worry about it. Shh. Oi! I'm correcting him for Lucky? No! Don't stir him up. Stir her up, I mean. Alright, you hold my video.
Okay.
And video me doing it and I'll show you how to do it properly. Don't worry about Lucky.
Okay.
Oi!
I can hold on to it.
Come on. Yo. Yo. Yes. Ah! No. Yo. Oi. Yo. So she respects me, but she hasn't respected me. You have to be very calm when you're walking her like that, okay?
Sorry?
You have to be calm when you're walking her,
Yeah.
relaxing her, and have her control here. Hold your hands like this,
Yeah.
and go shh,
Okay.
shh. Push her up. She come off from there. That's it. After the pressure goes off,
Yeah.
she goes back again with her walk again with me.
Yeah.
That's it. Shh. You see a difference?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna let you do it. The camera here. Walk past Lucky. Walk past Lucky in a circle. Past Lucky in a circle. Past Lucky. She's avoiding Lucky because she doesn't like to confront the fight.
Yeah.
So walk her past.
Yeah. This way? No.
Yeah, straight. That's it. Go straight ahead. That's it. Go straight. Make sure she doesn't get in front of you, yeah? Don't worry. You learn the lesson. She'll learn lessons from you. All right, go backwards to me. Turn around. Go backwards towards me. Don't say come here. Just drag her off. Walk her straight. That's it. That's a good walk. That's a beautiful walk. I can see it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Walk her past here. Past Lucky. Past Lucky. Past Lucky. Past Lucky. Shh. Oi. Walk her past Lucky. Because she hasn't socialized a lot. That's why she's like this.
Yeah.
But she needs to learn how to socialize in a way so she knows what to do.
Yeah.
I can read her language that she needs more socialization with different dogs.
Okay.
So you get used to different dogs so she learns how to maintain the impulse control of biting or whatever it is. Make sure she's not in front. Good. It's a good girl. Turn around. We're gonna do some exercise like this, for a bit more, because you know why? Because you need to learn how to walk her and be the leader of her. But she's respecting you right now. That's good. You see that respect right now? That's really good. Make sure you put it back on, tuck properly on the front, on the head. How's the session going so far? You like the session?
Yes.
You like the confrontation that she confronts her?
Yeah.
And then she gets off with it? She learns that discipline is not really fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, this dog,
very obedient otherwise.
she's obedient,
Yeah,
but
like-
she needs to learn how to listen to you in the walk.
Yeah.
Sit down. That's it. Make sure she walks from side to side with you. Turn around. All right, cool.